I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's Clean With Me is packed with clean and motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. Before I get decorating for Christmas, there's just a few areas that need a good clean and a good declutter. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. So don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comments if you're decluttering and cleaning along with me, and let's just jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm just washing up a couple of bits that was in the bedroom, and I think this is the first for me to not have a load of washing up in the morning. I absolutely love this, so I'm just going to get that done, head back to the bedroom, and like I said, just declutter and clean the areas that are going to be decorated. So I need to give it a good dust, a good hoover, and I'm also going to be taking out all of my pajamas and journals and things like that, just so I have more of a clear space to decorate.
If you spill coffee on me, or if the sky is gray or blue, no, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down.
So now I've finished giving it a good tidy, it's time to go in with the hoover and give it a dust as well, and just make sure it's nice and clean, ready for decorating. Do let me know down in the comments if you're decorating this early as well, or if you just think I'm crazy for decorating at the beginning of November. But I've literally been ready to decorate for months now, and I can't wait to get everything sorted. So don't forget to let me know down in the comments, and also let me know what your colour scheme is this year.
Like when nothing goes your way, so I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I am on my way up, I won't slow.
So I do already have my Christmas tree up downstairs. That video went up yesterday, so if you did miss it, do be sure to check it out. I absolutely love how it turned out. I did something completely different this year. It's got feathers on it, it's got glitter on it, bows, ribbon, everything you can think of I shoved on the Christmas tree this year, and I think it looks amazing. So if you did miss that video, do be sure to go and check it out.
You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an enormous thing, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a.
So I've been putting off organising this drawer for way too long, and it's time that I pull everything out and fold it all using the KonMari method. I am going to put everything into sections, so I've got my shorts, my leggings and my jeans, just so I see what I have, so I'm not just wearing the same thing over and over again, because I keep burying everything at the back. So I thought it was a good time to get it all out and finally get it all organised.
You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an enormous thing, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No
flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are
I love how fresh this bedroom feels once it's had a good clean and it's been hoovered. It just has a completely different feel to it, a different vibe to it, and I absolutely love it. And it doesn't take too long either because it is such a small room. So once that's done, I can head downstairs and sort out the kitchen. I just need to put the washing up away from the night before, wipe down the sides and the cabinets and everything, and just make it nice and fresh for the day.
I know we're acting stupid.
I'm really looking forward to decorating the kitchen this year for Christmas because last year I only decorated in the living room. It was quite minimal, whereas this year I'm doing the living room, the kitchen, the bedrooms and probably the stairs and things as well, and I'm just going to put a touch here and there. Maybe in the bathrooms. I'm not too sure if I'll be doing the bathrooms yet or not. It depends how far my decorations spread, but I can't wait to finally do the kitchen as well. The living room I'm going to have quite glam this year with the blush pinks and the feathers, but I love the red and the traditional colours at Christmas, so that's what I'm going to be keeping in the kitchen. So I'm going to have a different theme for each room and I just can't wait to get started.
Head up in the clouds, I am searching for something, and I'm still hoping. Cause I wanna be in, not out, wanna make this all count. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
If you do want to follow me on more of a daily basis and get sneak peeks and behind the scenes of my YouTube videos, don't forget to go ahead and give me a follow over on Instagram. I'm active over there every single day, giving you lots of home decor inspo as well as instant cleaner motivation. So I'm going to go ahead and leave my link down in the description below.
I try to act like a superstar, get tattoos without colors in a place where it's showing, and I blew my cash on drinks, not to mention this new ink. Yes, I wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like
to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life.
Now the kitchen's all done, I can go ahead and sort out this corner, and this is an area that is literally just a dumping ground. I think just because it's behind the sofa and we just don't see it whenever we're sat in the living room, we always think it's a good idea to just dump everything behind here. So I need to go through it and put it all away, put it in its proper place, because I'm going to be decorating the windowsill as well as that cabinet, and I just need to have it all nice and clean for when I get to decorating.
Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also let me know down in the comments, and I will see you back here in the next one.